Y'all know how this goes. Light up the tumbleweed, put the can on top, get it hot, let it get white, dump it out on into the grill. Saw this on markdown and thought, that'd be a cheap dinner. So let's get a couple of these. Let's trim them up a little bit. And let's treat them like a chicken breast and let's butterfly them open. Now you ask yourself, where does a pork sirloin come from? Well, it comes from the loin of the pig, which is the area between the pig's shoulder and the back legs, which is also where the pork tenderloins are and the rib and loin chops are. Now I got them butterflied open. I'm going to use my domino rub, which is 2 parts of coarse black pepper and 1 part kosher salt. Okay, so now the grill's hot. Let's spray some olive oil and let's get these dudes on there. Now I want to try a little something. I want to throw in a handful of pellets, hickory pellets, to see if we can't add to the charcoal flavor that we're going to get. Future me talking here. Really, they just burned up and got me a good little sear. Didn't really add much smoke flavor. And then here we're trying to get the cross hatches, but as you'll see, I didn't get them. I absolutely love the Shealys vinegar pepper sauce. It is a great accompaniment to any pork dish. So I did probe these and they were about 165 to 170-ish. Let me tell you what, this looks pretty darn good. This is a pork roast, so we treated it like a chicken breast, filleted it out. Look at that, cooked all the way through. It was about 165, 170 all the way through on both sides. Put a little bit of salt, pepper on the little domino rub, and then my favorite, the Shealys barbecue sauce. Let's go in for a taste test. Juicy, got a little tang, got that black pepper coming through. Got that charcoal grill flavor. Oh man. Whew. Going in for another. I'd say okay with me. Simple. Well, that's all I got for you this week. Remember, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did you have fun? Did it taste good? Rock on. Y'all are awesome. Have a great week.